Welcome back to the third section of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire Java tutorial. The second part, I actually left you guys with this very question. That's the first question. You can see there, question 1. So, and I copied it across and changed it, which I've done. That's for question 2. So what will happen in here is every time I click on the mouse, every time I click on the button, call question will be incremented by 1. So the first time I click on it, it becomes 1. You will see the following question. When I click on it again, the second question, and so on. So that's question 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 questions altogether. And the next line of code is just to, I use that to call my X image for calling people. I'll show you that. So let me run this program. You guys see how this question works and this very line of code, how it works. Okay, just click on run, and right here, this is how the program is looking right now. So if I click on my trigger button, which is this logo, click on it, the first question pops up. Click on it again, nothing will happen because I've not written any code to trigger this very text box. If I now click on this again, can you see that? That's question 2, and so on. So if the player would like an audience to answer the question, you click on this, and you see that, guys? That means that very bonus is used up, but I don't have that in here yet, so I'll just take you straight into the program and you see how it's done. As you can see, even this label is not moving yet. So let's go back into the program and we get that sorted. This is the very line of code I use for the bonus. So I'm just gonna copy, go to design, right click and select mouse click. Yeah, that's fine. Just right there and paste that very line code in there. The image, the second image, I think is called let's see what it's called. The second one is called phone, so let me change that to phone. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna need one more curly bracket here. Okay, that's fine now. Yep, that's fine. And right here, that's label 3. Yeah, and this, oh sorry about that, that's 2. I'm actually dealing with this one here, 3, and the name of my variable, enter the name of my variable right there as the variable that I used up there. So I will repeat exactly the same thing for the other one, for the last one. Okay, so the second one is ready. So let me just repeat exactly the same thing for the third one. I might as well just speed it up. Okay, the bonus is finished, and that's how it looks right now. I think I should run it again so that you guys see it. Close it. Now that's the bonus right there. If you click on 50/50, the red X indicate that bonus point is being used up. Phone a friend. Get that? So that's how it all works. So let me go into the program right now and work on this one, so that anytime you answer a question right, you will see these indicators move up and showing you how much you've won so far. So let's go into the coding area. There is something I think I should do first. When we click on this trigger button right there, we get the answer, the selections of answers. But if we click on 50/50, we expect some answers to disappear, not all of the answers. So what I will do is to actually program 50/50 so that only 2 of those answers will remain. So let's go back into the code view and get that sorted now. Right here we say if question equals 1 and level 4 dot is focusable. Alright, that should be 4 there. Then we want 2 of these to disappear. So the first stage is I need to know where the answers are. But let's just have a guess. So this one is called, okay, so the answer should be somewhere. Let's look for the first question, very first question right there. Okay, the answer is A, so I want to keep A on maybe C, so I'll get rid of B, which is this, copy that, and 5. Okay, that's fine. Come right down here, there, space that there, dot set foreground, and let's make that black. I'm gonna copy this, copy as well, and change this to 5. Now you guys can see some errors here, but right up here I've actually imported it. There they are. So I'm going to let go of this because it's now being used. Alright, let's come back down. And check that. Okay, they're all back on track. Let's check it again. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. Change them. Okay, so we're back on track now. That means the text value in there, anytime I click that, should become black, so you won't be able to see it. So let me run the program and we'll demonstrate how it works. Okay, let's try it out. I'll get the first question in, select 50/50. Can you guys see that? So that disappears. So what I'll do is just repeat exactly the same thing for question 2. So I'm going to now program this trigger function to change the value back to white for the other questions, or else you won't be able to see it. Can you guys see that? You can't see the other questions anymore. So let's go back into the program and get that sorted. So I now need to go in here, right click on this, yeah, there we are. Okay, so I just needed to set it to white. So right here, maybe, yeah, maybe that's fine, that's all right. Yeah, just paste it there and set it back to white. I will end up with error there. Yeah, I knew that. So I need to import. Yeah, I think I have that up there really. Yeah, that's fine. The error is gone. So I have about, let's paste. I have 1, 2, 3. I think I have 5 of those. Okay, make them all white. 4, 5. Okay, so that problem is sorted now. Save. Okay, that's it right there. Let me repeat, let me do the same thing for question 2, and let's see the answer to question 2. Question 2 is exactly the same thing. Maybe I might as well maybe change it to, let's make the answer D. So that'll be, let's change that to let's say 47. So 20, and the answer will be D. Okay, that's fine. I can always get rid of A, which is frame text field 2 and text field 4. Okay, let's go back there, scroll right down. So I'll copy this. Yep, that's right, copy that. I will then use or, paste that as if it's question 2, cover that again. Yeah, done. If it's question 2, we get rid of the 2 and 5. Yeah, 2 and 5. Okay. Yeah, I'll make that 3 and 4. Yeah, instead of 2 and 5, 2 is answer to 1. Okay, that's that done. I can always speed that up now that that is ready. Okay, let's continue with the coding. Okay, where is the trigger function? Right there. Now I need it to call all these array, all these images right here. So anytime you click on the button, all these images should show up. So let's go back to the system. Okay, to get these images rolling, so let's click on this very text box there, and I'm going to use a mouse click right there. Now get rid of this comment. There's going to be some coding here. So let's say if call question equals 1, call questions equals 1, and this very text box right there, copy that and paste it right there, paste the dot. I think it's faster, is focusable alright. It's focusable. I'll just correct that. Let's see. Yep, that's fine. If it's focusable, right? Okay. And then we need to set all of this right here. Set as follows. Dot set. I need the opacity in this case to be true, else we will have a problem. We won't be able to, the color will not change. Okay, get the opacity to be true and repeat exactly the same thing. Set for color, for color, and set that to color. That should be uppercase. Dot black. Okay. Now I need that to be, make that the back color, make the back, make that green. Alright, so if the answer is right, the text is black and the background color becomes green. So for the rest, let me just copy. I'm going to copy that and just change the data in there. 1, 2, 3, that's correct, 3 of them. So this becomes white, that becomes white, and this becomes black. Paste, that becomes black. So and now change this to 3, 3, 3. I'll just repeat the same thing for all. And that's it, guys. So what will happen is, once it's clicked, this becomes green, the background green, the background default color says black, while the rest remains white and black. So let's now, I need to include my image right there, so I might as well just copy the image code right here, this very one. Let's copy that. Copied, but I'm going to need the name of the very first image that I intend to use. My very first image is right here. So I need, there we go, right here, correct one. And the image for correct one is called image correct one. So let's go back down, paste it right here, and this becomes correct one. You guys see that? It's painstaking. You have to be careful when you are putting this very program together. Alright, so that you don't mess it up. It's taking me forever to complete this second one. So let me just speed it up. Okay, I finished that very line of code right there, guys. You can take a good look at it. Okay, so the next thing is, I will now, let's run it and see what we've done so far. And right here, start a question. That's question 1. Maybe phone a friend. You can see that bonus point is gone. Select the correct answer. You see that, guys? The first question, you've just won yourself £100. So what I would do right now is to actually speed this up, because I'm now approximately 24 minutes. It's taking too long. I just speed it up because I intend to end this tutorial. I think the third one is enough. So let me speed it up and I'll get back to you guys. And there, guys, so this is how it looks. The right answer is 36. You see that? Question 2. That's correct. Move on. And that's how you develop Who Wants to Be a Millionaire in Java. System is a bit slow. Okay, guys, I suppose you enjoyed the tutorial, and the rest of the code is just exactly the same thing. The right answer, that's the right answer. So and so on, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So I'm just going to call it a day. It's been a long day for me. So you all have a nice day now.